Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine. Fine.
Okay, great. Are you ready to learn mathematics today?
Yes.
Okay, before we start, I will check attendance. Is Ari here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
miss.
Is Sukma here?
Present, miss.
Okay, thank you. Today we are going to learn about sequence and series. Have you ever heard about sequence before?
Miss.
Good. Today we will understand it clearly. But before that, after this lesson, you are able to number one, understand sequence and series, and number two, solve problems related to arithmetic sequence and series and geometric sequence and series. Okay, next, grading question. I have some grading questions. What is an arithmetic and geometric sequence? What is an arithmetic and geometric series? What is a series? Do you know any of them?
Not really.
That's okay, we will learn together. Let's learn about sequence. Imagine seats in a cinema. Each row has a different number of seats. The pattern of increasing seats forms a sequence. Do you think the number increases regularly?
Yes, miss.
Good, that pattern form a sequence. Okay, next. What is a sequence? A sequence is an ordered list of numbers and formed based on a certain patterns. Can you repeat order list?
Order list.
Good. Now we learn about arithmetic sequence. Okay. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This difference is called common difference, or D. Do you understand what difference means?
Yes. Action, miss.
Excellent. Okay, next. Okay, let's we talk to the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. A sub n is nth term, and a sub 1 is first term, and D is common difference. Don't worry, we will use an example. Let's play. Look at the arrangement of tables below. The number of tables in each row forms a pattern. Row 1, row 2, and row 3. And the question is, how many tables are there in the 15th row? What should we use?
Formula, miss.
Correct. Okay, let we solve it using the formula step by step. Number 1, given a sub n, a sub 1 equals 4, a sub 2 equals 6, and b equals 6 minus 4 equals 2. And ask a sub 15. And the answer is a sub 15 equal 4 plus 15 minus 1 times 2. And then a sub 15 is equal to 32. And then the answer is there are 32 tables in the 15th row. Okay, let's talk about geometric sequence. And the definition is a geometric sequence is a sequence where each term is multiplied by a constant number, and this constant is called ratio, or R. Is it addition or multiplication?
Multiplication.
Okay, very good. And then we talk about formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r power n minus 1. A sub n is nth term, a sub 1 is first term, and r common ratio. And then we go to example. Let's apply. Look at the patterns below. There are step 1, step 2, and step 3. And the question is, how many circles are there in the sixth step? How do we find it?
Multiply, miss.
Yes, correct. And we go to solution. We solve using the formula. Given a sub 1 is equal to 1, our ratio is equal to 2, and ask a sub 6. And the answer is a sub 6 equal to 1 times 2 power 5. And then a sub 6 is equal to 32. And then the answer is there are 32 circles in the sixth step. Okay, that's all about sequence. Let's we talk about series. Let's learn about series. A series is, in daily life, we often collect or accumulate values. For example, running distance or saving money. The total of these values from a series. Have you ever saved money?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
That is an example of series. Okay, we go to definition. Okay, we go to arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is the sum of an arithmetic sequence, and each term increases by a constant difference. U sub 1 plus U sub 2 and plus U sub 3 plus U sub n is equal to S sub n. And then the formula we get S sub n is equal to n divided by 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. As n is sum of n terms, a sub 1 is first term, and d is common difference. Okay, we talk to a sample. Let's apply. A student reads more page each day. Day 1, 5 page. Day 2, 10 page. Day 3, 15 page. And day 4, 20 page. The number of page increases by 5 each day. And the question is, how many pages are read in 6 days? What should we do? Ari, can you answer my question?
Yes,
Yes, correct. Now, and the solution, we calculate using the formula given a sub 1 is equal to 5, d is equal to 5, and n is equal to 6. Ask s sub n is equal to, and the answer is s sub 6 is equal to 6 divided by 2 times 2 times 5 plus 6 minus 1 times 5. S sub 6 is equal to 105. And the total page in 6 days is 105. Any question? Okay, let's go to geometric series. Definition. A geometric series is the sum of a geometric sequence. Each term is multiplied by a constant ratio. U sub 1 plus U sub 2 plus U sub 3 plus dot 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 plus U sub n is equal to S sub n. And the formula we get, if r greater than 1, S sub n is equal to A sub 1, r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. And then if 0 smaller than r smaller than 1, the formula is S sub n is equal to A sub 1 times 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus n. Okay, we go to the example. Let's apply. A ball bounces and reaches half of its previous height each time. Bounce 1 is 12 meter, bounce 2 is 6 meter, bounce 3 is 3 meters, and bounce 4 is 1.5 meter. The height is multiplied by 1 divided by 2 each time. Okay, and the question is, what is the total height of the first 4 bounce? What do we use? Anyone can answer my question?
Formula, Miss.
Okay, again and again we use formula every time, and the solution given first term is equal to 12. Ratio is equal to 1 divided by 2. Number of terms n is equal to 4. Use the formula 0 smaller than r smaller than 1. S of 4 is equal to 12 times 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power 4 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 2. And then S sub 4 is equal to 12 times 15 divided by 16 times 2. S sub 4 is equal to 22.5. And then total height of the first 4 bunch is equal to 22.5 meter. Okay, today we have learned sequence and series. In conclusion, a sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follows a pattern, while a series is the sum of those numbers. Arithmetic sequence and series involve a constant difference, while geometric sequence and series involve a constant ratio. Understanding this concept helps us solve problems and recognize patterns in mathematics and real life. Okay, before that, now one question for you. What is the difference between an arithmetic sequence and a geometric sequence?
Arithmetic addition, geometric use multiplication.
Okay, that's an excellent answer. All right, if there are no more questions, thank you for your attention. See you next time.
Thank you, Mia.
Thank you, Mia.